You got the offer. Congratulations. Now comes the highest paid hour of the whole job search, and it's the moment most people feel least equipped. So they say yes to the first number and quietly leave money on the table. This is the Salary and Job Offer Negotiation Toolkit, an owned workbook that turns that hour from something you dread into something you've already rehearsed. It starts with the real number. Base salary hides the truth, so the total comp calculator folds base, bonus, equity, signing money, and the retirement match, less what you pay in premiums and commuting, into one effective annual value. You see each offer, your current job, and your target side by side, and the gap versus target row does the one thing a blank spreadsheet never will. It turns it feels a bit low into a real dollar figure to close. Next, you win it before you're in the room. The Negotiation Prep tab fixes the three numbers that decide everything: your target, what you're aiming for, your walkaway, the floor you won't cross, and your BATNA, what you'll actually do if they say no. A real alternative is where your calm and your leverage come from. Then you build a specific sendable ask. The counter builder lays out every lever: base, bonus, signing, equity, start date, time off, remote days, and title, with the offer beside your ask. The cash rows total up, so you can see the size of your request before you send it. Vague asks get vague answers. This one is exact. Knowing what to ask is only half of it. The scripts tab and the included 11 script bank give you the exact words for every turn: buying time, the counter, the competing offer play, the pivot when base won't move, asking for a raise, and accepting or declining gracefully. Your key numbers are even pulled straight into the templates. Copy, swap the blanks, and send. And the ask itself is short. Lead with genuine enthusiasm. Make one specific request and give the reason before the number. Then go quiet and let the silence sit. It's the hardest, most valuable move in the whole negotiation, and the first person to speak usually concedes. Everything lives in one workbook you own for Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice, with a one-click copy for Sheets. No login, no subscription, no coach's hourly rate. Between a free listicle and a paid coach sits the owned kit, the numbers and the words worked out, and yours to reuse for this offer, the next one, and every raise after. You can find the Salary and Job Offer Negotiation Toolkit at Ardent Workshop with the link below. Almost every offer has room. Do the homework once, ask for what you're worth, and let the preparation do the rest. From Ardent Workshop, own it, don't rent it.